That's why we are here. Today, we have just finished deliberations on who and who will be the next Imperial Majesty. The people you are meeting here are the members of the Yoruba Advisory Council who are also the kingmakers of Banaland. If you see from my left hand, that's the logo of Banaland. The other side is Otun Olubadan of Banaland, the signet. Next to him is Osi Olubadan. That's the other I see. Osi Olubadan, designate of Banaland. Asepa Olubadan, designate. Oba Hamidu Ajibade, you know him, not a troublemaker, but a peacemaker. You see our big Papa there, Oba Akande Agboletu, the new Ekeri Olubadan of Banaland, designate. Next to the Otoba logo here is Isioye Dada, who is the Balogun of Banaland. Can you see him? Next is Asepa Balogun, Asis Agagagugu, the Asepa Balogun of Banaland. Oba Adewoye, Hakim, yes. Adewoye, the Ekeni Balogun of Banaland. And our senator, who is our chief, was also the Kano Balogun of Banaland. So those are the people who are the members of Banaland today. We just finished deliberations. I've just concluded our deliberations. It was a peaceful one and very happy one. I, as the head today,